Realist. Okay, so, and as you can see, Vivian is fighting me for a fruit. So today, what we're going to try in this episode are new fruits. Exotic fruits that we've never tried before. And I've never tried before, right? So this one is called the Rambutan. Okay, so the Rambutan, it says, is a medium-sized tropical tree in the family. Don't know how to say that. The name also refers to the edible fruit produced by this tree. Okay, I'll put it below. Okay? The Rambutan is a native to Southeast Asia. And it's closely related to other edible tropical fruits, including the lychee, longan, and pulasan, and something else, okay? So, I don't know why she's fighting with the butter knife. So, here we go. We're gonna try this together. Ready?
Okay, now, Pops quiz. Go ahead, princess.
Okay. Grab a different one. Let's see, where do we cut? Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, it's juicy. Ooh. That's a pleasant surprise. Okay. Hold on, let me take this stuff out. Ah! No, don't eat that. Okay, try it. Guys, that's really good. Try it.
Oh, Professor Fox? Yes, Piggy. I gotta make a poop. Oh, you know where to do that. Find a shoe.
Can I have this one back? Okay, she's gonna eat that. I'm gonna open this one. Okay. It is like lychee.
No, look. It's okay. This beautiful creature is poop.
It's nice and juicy.
Is he staying with you?
It is so, it's good, guys.
Before he does any more damage.
Oh, I don't like that.
Well, he ain't staying here.
I don't think she knows what to do with it. Okay.
Don't get attached. That thing is out.
It's very good.
Oh, Pickles. Did you
Try yours.
your shoes? I
Good?
What? No.
So, that's number one. Nice. And try it. Eat it. That's number one of our exotic fruit adventure. All right, so let's move on to number 2. All right, so in the next episode of trying this new exotic fruit, we try the durian. So stay tuned next Wednesday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care.